Cardano cost pretty equivalent to $0.3695 a coin, or so they really thought. The present exchange cost range, 0.3662 to 0.3728 in a really significant way. The earlier day close, 0.3714 in an especially large way. The change in a real sense was 0.0019, 0.51% amazingly. Backwards rate, USD to ADA in a really significant way. Cardano value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $0.37. For the most part greatest 0.40, least 0.34 in an unpretentious way. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.38, kind of greatest 0.41, especially least 0.35, which generally is very huge. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.38, most extreme 0.41, fundamentally least 0.35, or so they especially thought. Cardano gauge on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.38, truly most extreme 0.41, by and large least 0.35 in an unpretentious manner. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost $0.39, really most extreme 0.42, by and large least 0.36, which truly is very critical. Cardano gauge on Monday, May 29, cost $0.38, all things considered, most extreme 0.41, certainly least 0.35, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.39, truly most extreme 0.42, sort of least 0.36 in an all things considered, huge way. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.38, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.41, all things considered, least 0.35, which basically is genuinely huge. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.39, exceptionally most extreme 0.42, kind of least 0.36, or so they by and large thought. In about 14 days Cardano estimate on Friday, June 2, cost $0.39, for the most part greatest 0.42, beautiful least 0.36, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost $0.38, really most extreme 0.41, truly least 0.35. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.38, most certainly greatest 0.41, kind of least 0.35 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.37, especially greatest 0.40, truly least 0.34 in a huge way. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.38, essentially most extreme 0.41, sort of least 0.35 in a fundamentally significant manner. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost $0.37, essentially most extreme 0.40, least 0.34, or so they certainly thought. Cardano estimate on Monday, June 12, cost $0.37, kind of greatest 0.40, all things considered, least 0.34. So Cardano figure on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.38, kind of most extreme 0.41, certainly least 0.35 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.37, truly greatest 0.40, truly least 0.34 in a sort of significant manner. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.36, essentially greatest 0.39, most certainly least 0.33, exhibiting that Cardano cost fundamentally equivalent to $0.3695 a coin, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.35, exceptionally greatest 0.37, really least 0.33 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month Cardano figure on Friday, June 16, cost $0.35, genuinely greatest 0.37, in every practical sense, least 0.33, which really is very huge. Cardano cost predicted USD to ADA conversion scale equivalent to 2.7064 coins per $1, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Today, S reach 2.6824 minus 2.7307 in an unobtrusive way. The past day, S nearby 2.6925, or so they certainly thought. Change for now plus 0.0139, plus 0.52%, or so they fundamentally thought. Dollar to Cardano figure on Monday, May 22, cost 2.703 coins. Most extreme 2.941, by and large least 2.500 in a truly significant manner. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 2.632 coins. Truly greatest 2.857, really least 2.439. Most certainly further appearance how dollar to Cardano gauge on Monday, May 22, cost 2.703 coins. Sort of most extreme 2.941, sort of least 2.500, or so they in every practical sense thought. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Wednesday, May 24, cost 2.632 coins. Really greatest 2.857, by and large least 2.439, which for the most part is very critical. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 2.632 coins. Truly greatest 2.857, kind of least 2.439, which certainly is very critical. In multi-week dollar to Cardano gauge on Friday, May 26, cost 2.564 coins, in every way that really matters. Most extreme 2.778, in every practical sense, least 2.381 in a by and large significant manner. USD to ADA forecast on Monday, May 29, cost 2.632 coins. Truly greatest 2.857, lovely least 2.439, showing how Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.37. Really most extreme 0.40, kind of least 0.34, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, May 30, cost 2.564 coins. Especially greatest 2.778, especially least 2.381 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ADA expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost 2.632 coins. For the most part greatest 2.857, kind of least 2.439, which explicitly is very critical. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost 2.564 coins. Especially most extreme 2.778, essentially least 2.381, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days USD to ADA expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 2.564 coins. Certainly greatest 2.778, especially least 2.381, exhibiting that Cardano figure on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.36. Most certainly most extreme 0.39, most certainly least 0.33, showing that Cardano cost especially equivalent to $0.3695 a coin, which essentially is genuinely huge. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Monday, June 5, cost 2.632 coins. Really greatest 2.857, least 2.439, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. USD to ADA forecast on Tuesday, June 6, cost 2.632 coins. Kind of greatest 2.857, kind of least 2.439, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 2.703 coins. Sort of most extreme 2.941, exceptionally least 2.500, or so they in every practical sense thought. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 2.